In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood latch on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get started. To access the hood latch, it's very easy to go through the grille if you just have a long extension, and you can unbolt the three 10mm bolts that hold this on. Take it off, and you're going to have to spin it around a little so we can unhook the hood latch cable from it. Get any sort of pry tool that you want and squish in the two tabs that lock in the retainer for this hood latch cable. There's one underneath that I just squished in, and this one. Pull out on that and flip it up and over. Now grab your cable and unhook it from that hook. Let go of that. Now we'll have to pull the electrical connector off. Looking through the grille, you see the electrical connector right here, and you can unplug it by simply pressing on that tab and pulling this off. Try not to lose this piece anywhere in the front of the grille there. And then this part should just unhook. You might need a trim tool to help you out. There we go. And now you can remove your latch. Bring in the new latch, and I'm just going to hook it onto its retaining spot here so I can plug it in more easily. Okay, take the connector, make sure that clicks and doesn't come back off. Now let's reattach the hood latch cable, get it hooked onto that hook there, and then put the cable through the hole, press it to click it in. Okay, that's locked in. And now let's bolt it back on. It does have two little tabs that it lines up with, so it's easy to make sure that it's still actually lined up. I'm going to start one bolt over here just so it can stay in place and not fall down while I start the other ones. I'm holding it in place, and I'm going to snug it up now. Make sure all the bolts are evenly snugged, and then, well, test it out.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.